Hello everyone. As I promised you in the advert, we are starting with Furtherman's question, and this is Furtherman's objective question 2023. So this is the question number one there. The objective is divided into 40 questions, and the theory, by God's grace, we are going to do justice to everything. So let's start with this. We are given express this in the form x plus m root y. For us to solve this here, I have something like this solution. So I have 3 all over 3 minus root 6. So I need to rationalize this. And for me to rationalize now, I need to find the conjugate of the denominator. And the conjugate of the denominator will just be for us to change this sign here. The conjugate of the denominator now will be 3 plus root 6. So I'm going to multiply both numerator and denominator by this conjugate. So I will have times 3 plus root 6 all over 3 plus root 6. So from here, I can multiply. I'm not going to cut anything, because if I should cut anything here, I'm going to get the question back. So I'll multiply numerator by numerator and also denominator by denominator. So if you do that, we are going to have 3 into 3 plus root 6 all over this one will give us 3 minus root 6 into 3 plus root 6. So if you go further here, we are going to have 9 plus 3 root 6. Why this will give us 9? Then we have plus 3 root 6. Then we multiply by this minus 3 root 6. Then we have minus root 36. So from here we are going to have 9 plus 3 root 6 all over this one we go. So we are going to have 9 minus 6, because the root of 36 is 6. So from here we have 9 plus 3 root 6 all over 9 minus 6 is 3. So if you notice, we can split this. This equation can be written as 9 all over 3 plus 3 root 6 all over 3. So we can now reduce now. 3 here is 3, we have 3. Then we count here plus root 6. This is our answer. Let's go to the question 2 of this particular question. Alright, this is number 2 question. So as you can see this question, this is an indices question. And if you check both brackets, the first bracket and the second bracket, you will notice that we have 9 here as the denominator and we have 81 here. And you will suspect that both 9 and 81 are both multiples of 3. So we are going to express this 9 and 81 in terms of 3. If you do that, we are going to have this to be 1 all over 3. Then here we have 2 into 2x minus 1 is equal to, this one now will now be 1 all over 3. 81 is 3 raised to power 4, so you have 4, 2 raised to power 3x here too. So from here, we can still apply law of indices to solve it. I can have here 3 minus 2 into 2x minus 1 is equal to 3, or instead of simplifying it in this way, I can actually cut them. As in, I have 1 over 3 here, 1 over 3 is here too. So from here I can have 2, I can open the bracket. If I open the bracket, I will have 4x minus 2 is equal to 8 minus 12x. So from here we can collect items, and we have 4x plus 12x is equal to 8. This one will become here plus 2. That will give us 16x is equal to 10. Divided by 16, divided by 16. 16 we cancel. What can go here? 2 here is 5, 2 here is 8. So our x now will now be 5 all over 8. This is question number 2. We stop here and continue with question number 3
Next,
Hello everyone, yeah, welcome back. We are given again, if x minus 5 is a factor of this, find the remaining factor. The first thing we need to do is to divide this by the factor. That means I'm going to, I can have something like this. I have solution here. So I will have this. I have x cubed minus 4x squared minus 11x plus 30 divided by x minus 5. Let's divide. If you divide this, we are going to have this one divided by this, and we have x squared. Then multiply that, you have x squared, x cubed minus 5x squared. Let's subtract. When you subtract, this one will be eliminated. And here we are going to have minus 4 plus 5. That will give us x squared minus 11x plus 30. Just take these two down. Minus 11 and 30. So you divide the first one by this again. We are going to have, this one is plus. So we have plus x. Then multiply by that, I have x squared here. Plus and minus will give us minus. Here we have 5x. Then we can subtract. If we subtract this now, x squared will be eliminated. And we are going to have minus 11 plus 5. That will give us minus 6x plus 30. We have minus 6x plus 30. So from there, we are going to divide this by this again. That means we are going to have minus 6. Minus 6 multiplied that, we have minus 6x again. Then we have minus minus, that is plus. 6 times 5 is 30. Then subtract. When you subtract, this one will go, this one will go. That means we only need to factorize this. So I'm going to have x squared plus x minus 6. That means I have this quadratic equation. I now need to factorize it. So I'm going to look for, if you factorize that, we are going to have like 3 and 2. Which one is positive? This is positive, this is. That means we are going to have x squared plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. So what is common here then? X is common here, so you have x plus 3. This will give us minus 2 into x plus 3. So our answer now will now be x plus 3 into x minus 2. So the question is find the remaining factor. The remaining factors are x plus 3 and x plus 2. So we are done with question 3. We move to question 4.